You want to promote your CPA marketing offers with a paid ad platform. Why not try out this platform right here called the Google Ads right here? And guys, in this video right here, I'm going to show you how you could actually go on to running a campaign on Google Ads and actually go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers on such platforms in a breeze right here. So without much introduction and further ado guys, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all guys, you want to head on to any CPA marketing platform to grab an offer which you want to promote. I could actually select offers from this particular platform called offervault.com. I could use the max bounty, or I just want to go on to using the CPA grip right here. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm actually logged into my CPA grip account. I can just simply go onto the offer tools section, click on my offers, and once I do that guys, I can actually go on to selecting offers which I could actually go on to promoting. But I could go on to changing the country which I want to select offers from. Maybe I want to select offers from countries like the United Kingdom. I'm actually going to select that right here, and once this loads up successfully, I'll be shown offers available to that demographic right now. So basically guys, I do prefer promoting sweepstake offers such as gift card giveaways. Exactly, this is an example of what I'm saying right now. This is an example of a gift card giveaway, which is for an Amazon gift card giveaway. It's available to the United Kingdom demographic. It's an Apple iOS offer and an email and zip submit offer. What this actually means is that your leads will actually have to come from the United Kingdom. They actually have to be using an Apple iOS device, and they just need to click on your link right here to go on to completing a simple survey. And in that survey, they will have to submit their email address or zip code, and you do get paid $1.71 for each person that actually does that or qualifies for this particular offer. So this is an absolutely amazing strategy or amazing offer right now, which you could actually go on to promoting. And guys, you want to leave this page open and head on to this platform, which is step 2 called the Google Ads. And the domain to this platform is called the ads.google.com. Once you do head onto this platform guys, you can see that you could go on to growing your business with Google Ads. As you can see, you could get in front of customers when they are searching for business like yours on Google search maps and only pay for results right here, like clicks on your website or calls to your website. So this is an amazing strategy which you want to use right now. As we all know, Google is the biggest search engine in the world. So using this particular ad format to go on to promoting your ad right there or your CPA marketing offer, I assure you guys this will actually drive a lot of leads to that particular CPA marketing offer right there, because it's the biggest search engine in the world, which a lot of people actually do use. You could actually sign up right now by clicking on start now, or you could just simply sign into your account if you do have one, and guys, you'll be brought to a page such as this. And basically guys, you just want to follow these simple steps right here, which is to fill out the bidding section, fill out the campaign setting, the asset groups, the budget, and you want to just simply go into the summary where you'll be able to go on to posting your ads from there. And guys, starting from the bidding section, which is the first stage right here, you want to just simply go on to filling out this section. As you can see, what do you want to focus on? And guys, I'm just going to simply select the conversion right here, and I'm going to leave this on conversion. You can see right here guys that you could set the target for the cost per action if you do want to right here, put in the target which you want to spend for that particular section. I'm going to leave that as it is right here. And guys, you could just simply come right here to only bid for new customers, or you could bid for both old customers right now. I'm going to leave that box on ticked, and I'm going to come right here, click on next. Now in this section right now guys, you want to select the location to which you want to just simply go on to promoting this offer to, and I'm going to go on to selecting this section which says enter another location. And right here guys, you want to select the location. Maybe I'm just going to select the United Kingdom, and right here you could see the United Kingdom. If I just select that, that has actually been selected, and you can see I could reach out to 75 million people right here in that particular demographic. So with doing so guys, you just want to just simply scroll right here, scroll to this section where you can actually add in another language right here, but you can see English is already added, so I'm not going to go on to add in another language. As it is right now, I'm going to just simply go on to clicking on next, and once I do click on next guys, you want to just simply go on to creating an asset group. So right now guys, you want to just simply give your assets group a name. So I'm just going to give it a name right here. As you can see right now, you want to just simply come right here and just simply paste in the URL which you want to actually promote your offers to right here, or which you're actually promoting right now. I'm just going to copy the URL, head back to that particular page and paste that in right there in that particular section right now. So once that has been pasted, guys, you could actually come right here and edit this lead form. And guys, if you want to just simply go on to focusing on the lead form right here, if you just click on this plus lead form, so right here, guys, you could go on to editing how you want your lead form to actually be right here. Edit this based on your preference and actually go on to creating a lead form right now. So once you're actually done, click on apply, but I'm not going to apply this right here. Once you're done, guys, you could actually go on to adding your phone numbers right here. You could also go on to adding call out right now. You could add in images via this section right here. For images, guys, to that particular offer, I'm just going to click on plus right here and select an image from my device. So to select that, I'm going to go onto the upload section and just simply click on upload from computer. This is the image right here which CPA Group actually used. So I'm just going to go on to using this exact same image. How did I get that image? I went on to CPA Group, right click on this image and click on save image as. So right now, guys, you can see the image has actually been added. I'm just going to select that right here and click on save, and once I do click on save, guys, you can see that that has actually been added in that section. You could also go on to add in logos also if you do have one, and I could just simply leave that logo as it is like that, or I could just simply edit that based on my preference. You could also add in videos right here, and in this section, this is where you're actually going to add in the headlines which you actually do want for this particular ad. And guys, you could just simply come right here, give it a headline, and I'm just going to use the same headline as it is right here in CPA Group. So I'm just going to copy this headline, head back to my Google Ads and paste that in right here in this section. So you can see right here that the first headline has actually been added. I can actually go on to editing the second headline right here, and you'll be able to see the changes right there in that particular section. So guys, I've actually edited that section which says complete a simple survey and win a free gift card, but I've exceeded the amount of characters which I can actually do go on to using for that scene right there. And guys, I'm just going to just simply leave it as it is right here like this. So right now, guys, you could go on to editing this section based on your preference right there. I'm just going to put in something like enter information now, and once that has actually been done, as you can see, more headlines are actually being created. And guys, you could also come right here, adding long headlines. Right here in this section, you want to just simply put in a description. So I'm just going to use the same description right here which CPA Group actually used. Although that description is not detailed, you want to just simply go on to giving a detailed description. Come right here, paste that in this particular section. And guys, for the bonus or the business name, you want to select a business name of your choice. For this section which says site links, guys, you could go on to editing that section based on your preference right here. The call to action, you could actually edit that also. You want to just simply make use of any one of these call to actions right here. And I'm just going to use this particular call to action. Once I'm done with this particular page, I'm going to go on to clicking on next. So once I click on next, guys, I will be brought to this budget page where I can actually go on to editing how I want my budget to be. If I want to just simply edit this, guys, you could go on to editing that based on your preference right here. As you can see right here, guys, there are some standard budget right here, but I could just simply click on custom budget and actually put how much I want to just simply go on to spending for this particular ad right here. So right now, guys, I'm going to go on to setting my ad daily budget right here to something like let me say $10 right now. One that has actually been selected, guys. As you can see, it's actually warning me that my budget is lower than other advertisers' budget, which may affect my performance. So I should try raising it to at least $13 per day right there. So once I'm actually done with this page, just simply click on next right now. And if you do click on next, you'll be brought to this summary section where you can actually go on to editing this particular last section right here. And if you do that on you can actually take out much of your time and go on to editing that on your own, then go on to actually promoting that. As you can see right here, the description is not actually okay, meaning that you actually need to go on to giving it a more detailed description. You could go on to adding videos. You could actually go on to checking the ad strength right now. So once you're actually done with this, just simply go on to clicking on next. And if you do click on next, guys, you just want to go on to editing this section based on your preference, which is the budget section once more. And guys, as you could see right here, says my budget is quite low, and I can actually go on to increasing that for a month right there, something such as $40 right now. And once that is actually done, if I do go on to clicking on next, guys, you just want to go on to editing this section based on your preference. And guys, once you are done editing, you can actually do go on to this particular section, which is the budget section right here, and actually do go on to checking that out. And if you're done filling your budget, guys, just simply go onto the bottom section and actually start running your campaign right here. And once you actually do run the campaign, guys, you will find out that this is actually an amazing ad website which you could have taken advantage of a long time ago, because it's actually amazing to help you get some cool and amazing traffic to your CPA marketing offer. So this is basically how you could actually head onto this platform to go on to posting or creating an ad on this platform called the ads.google.com. So guys, I hope this video has been of help to you. Basically, just simply come on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.